Welcome to Emily's Date Story. At home, getting ready with brother.
Oh, Jack, I'm so nervous about this date tonight. What if I say something silly?
Don't worry, Emily. Just be yourself and have fun. Dates are supposed to be exciting.
But what should I wear? This red dress or the blue one with flowers?
The blue one looks great on you. It matches your eyes perfectly.
Thanks. Do you think Alex will like it? He's the guy from work.
I'm sure he will. Tell me more about him. What's he like?
He's kind and funny. We talked about movies last week at the office.
Sounds good. Remember to ask him questions too, not just talk about yourself.
Right, like what his favorite food is. I love pizza, by the way.
Haha, everyone loves pizza. Maybe suggest going to a pizza place next time.
Good idea. But tonight, it's a fancy restaurant. I'm scared of the menu.
Just ask the waiter if you don't know a word. Like, what does escargot mean?
Escargot? What's that? It sounds fancy in French.
It's snails cooked in butter, but you can skip it if you want.
Ew, snails? No way. I'll stick to pasta or salad.
Smart choice. And smile a lot, Emily. Your smile is your best feature.
Aw, thanks, Jack. You're the best brother ever. Hug?
Haha, sure. Good luck tonight. Call me if you need a ride home.
I will. Wish me luck. I'm so excited now.
Luck. You'll do great. Have an amazing time.
Bye for now. Time to finish getting ready. Whee!
See you later. Don't forget your phone charger.
Got it. Thanks again for the advice.
At the mall, shopping for accessories.
Hi, Tom. I need some advice on accessories for a date tonight.
Hello there. Sure. What kind of look are you going for? Elegant or fun?
Something simple but pretty. Maybe a necklace or earrings?
This silver necklace with a heart pendant will be perfect. It's not too flashy.
Oh, I like it. How much does it cost? Is it expensive?
It's on sale for $20. Great deal for something so nice.
Awesome. What about these earrings? They sparkle like stars.
Those are cubic zirconia. They look like diamonds, but cheaper.
Cubic zirconia? What's that mean? Sounds scientific.
It's a man-made gem that shines brightly, very popular for jewelry.
Cool. I'll take them too. Do you have any bracelets to match?
Yes, this thin gold one. It has a touch of elegance.
Perfect. I'm getting nervous. This is my first date in ages.
You'll be fine. Just relax and enjoy the conversation.
What if we run out of things to say? Any tips?
Ask about hobbies, like what sports do you play?
Good one. I like swimming. Hope he does too.
See? Easy. Now, let me wrap these up for you.
Thanks so much, Tom. You're a big help today.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful date. Come back anytime.
I will. Bye, and thanks again.
Goodbye. Good luck out there.
Whee! These will make me look great.
In the taxi, heading to the restaurant.
Hi, Mike. Can you take me to the Italian restaurant downtown?
Sure thing, miss. Traffic's light, so we'll get there quick.
Great. I'm meeting someone for a date. I'm a bit anxious.
First date? Don't sweat it. Just chat about the weather or food.
Weather? Like, it's sunny today, right?
Yeah, perfect for a romantic evening. What's your name?
Emily. And yours is Mike from the app. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. So what do you do for work, Emily?
I work in an office doing marketing. It's fun, but busy.
Sounds interesting. I drive all day, meet all kinds of people.
Must be exciting. Ever hear funny date stories from passengers?
Oh yeah, one guy forgot his wallet and had to wash dishes.
That's hilarious. Hope that doesn't happen to me.
You'll be fine. Just order something simple like spaghetti.
Spaghetti? But what if I spill sauce on my dress?
Carry napkins or laugh it off. Makes a good memory.
True. Thanks for the tip. You're making me feel better.
Glad to help. We're almost there. That'll be $10.
Here you go. Keep the change. Thanks, Mike.
Thanks. Have a fantastic date. Break a leg.
I will. Bye.
See ya.
Feeling ready now.
At the restaurant. Waiting and ordering.
Hi, Sam. Can I have a table for two? My date is coming soon.
Of course. Right this way. Window seat okay?
Perfect. Thanks. The view of the city lights is beautiful.
Glad you like it. Water while you wait? Sparkling or still?
Still, please. What's sparkling mean again?
It's water with bubbles, like soda, but no flavor.
Oh, right. Still is fine. I'm a bit nervous tonight.
Date night? Relax. Our food will make it special.
Hope so. What's your best dish here?
The lasagna is popular. Layers of pasta, cheese, and sauce.
Sounds yummy. Is lasagna hard to pronounce?
La-za-ya. Easy. Want to see the menu?
Yes, please. Oh, what's bruschetta? I see it here.
Bruschetta. Toasted bread with tomatoes and herbs.
I'll try that as an appetizer. Thanks for explaining.
No problem. Your date just arrived. Enjoy.
Oh, thanks, Sam. You're so helpful.
My pleasure. I'll be back to take orders soon.
Great. Can't wait to eat.
Ha ha. Me neither, but I'm working. Call if you need anything.
Will do. Thanks again.
On the date. Chatting with Alex.
Hi, Alex. You look nice tonight. Glad you could make it.
Thanks, Emily. You look beautiful in that blue dress.
Aw, thank you. So, how was your day at work?
Busy but good. I finished a big project. What about yours?
Same. Lots of emails. Tell me about your hobbies.
I love hiking. Fresh air and mountains are amazing.
Cool. I like swimming. Ever try it?
Yes, but I'm not great. Teach me sometime?
Sure. What's your favorite movie?
Star Wars. Action and adventure. Yours?
Romantic comedies like The Notebook. Makes me cry.
Aw, that's sweet. I like those too sometimes.
Really? What's the saddest part for you?
When they forget each other. So emotional.
Yes. Let's order food. I'm starving.
Me too. How about sharing a pizza?
Perfect. With extra cheese, please.
Yes, you're fun to talk to.
Thanks. This date is going great so far.
Agree. Can't wait for dessert.
Me neither. Chocolate cake?
Absolutely. Let's make this night memorable.
Yay!
Cheers to us.
Cheers!
After the date. Riding home on Alex's motorbike.
Alex, tonight was really wonderful for me.
I feel the same way, Emily. So much fun.
Thank you for the delicious dinner tonight.
Sharing pizza with extra cheese was perfect.
Yes, that was the best part.
Do you enjoy riding on a motorbike?
I like it a lot. The wind feels nice.
I drive slowly so you feel safe.
I trust you completely. Don't worry.
That's good to hear. You hike sometimes?
Not often, but I want to try it.
Then let's go hiking together next time.
Yes, I would love that so much.
Great. Can you make sandwiches for us?
Sure, I make really good sandwiches.
That sounds delicious already to me.
You can teach me how to hike properly.
Of course, I will show you everything.
Oh, look, we are almost at my house.
Time passed so quickly with you tonight.
I don't want this night to end yet.
Me neither. It was amazing with you.
Thank you for driving me home safely.
My pleasure. Sleep well, Emily.
Drive carefully. Text me when you arrive.
Back home. Late night phone call with Alex.
Alex, are you home safe now?
Yes, just parked the bike outside.
I miss you already so much.
I still feel your arms around me.
Stop, you're making me blush hard.
Your blush is the cutest thing ever.
You are being too sweet tonight.
I can't help it. You make me happy.
I keep smiling thinking about you.
What are you doing right now, Emily?
Lying in bed, hugging my pillow tight.
I'm on the couch, missing you too.
I wish you were here with me now.
Next time, let's watch a movie together.
Yes, at my place sounds perfect.
With popcorn and lots of cuddles?
Definitely lots of cuddles, please.
What kind of movie do you like best?
Romantic ones with happy endings always.
Great. I will find a good one.
You are the best, Alex, really.
No, you are the best for me.
My heart is beating so fast now.
Mine too, just from hearing you.
Call me again tomorrow, okay?
That's the end of Emily's fun date adventure. Keep practicing English with more stories like this.